Hi guys, Cynthia here, and today we are doing the top 5 last minute gifts here at the Home Depot. So I'm not going to link anything below. It is going to be last minute, so you have to go into the store. And I want to start with some of the things back here. So I'm going to turn you guys around and we will walk around the store and talk about why I love it and why you should get one for your loved one. And everything I'm showing you is stuff that I have. So I have it, I use it, I recommend it. And I don't have my mic today because I really wanted to get this video out here for you guys. Okay. Now, let me turn you guys around. All right, guys, so the first thing that I recommend, and these are kind of pricey, so please take with a grain of salt. If this is not someone that you totally love, but you know they love gardening, the first two are not for them. But if it's like your partner, someone that really you care about a lot, I highly recommend this here. I actually have this, and I filmed a video, actually, where I tried it out, and I highly recommend you guys these pruners. I mean, anything gets pretty thick stem, like even just a head of broccoli, lettuce. They have really big stems that sometimes your cutters can't cut. So I 10 out of 10 recommend. It is $139 if you are going to get something for a special person and you're like, I want to get something pricey, but I don't know what to do. I recommend the cutter, the pruner. Next, now again, none of these have to be Dewalt, but I'm giving you these suggestions because this is what I have and I have used it and I recommend. The next thing is a blower. They have so many blowers of all kinds, make that decision yourself. But this is the blower that I have, the one that is $179. And I absolutely love a blower. A blower is so useful for leaves, for just about anything, debris, dirt falling. So these are the first two, 10 out of 10, recommend. By far my top two choices for someone that you really love that is going to cost you some money. But if I had to pick between the two, I'd go with the pruners because anybody can use pruners. But they're kind of scary because they're battery operated, and once you push that button to go down, it will get you. So, use with caution, but I love that. Or that. All right, we're down to 2. Let's go to our third item. Okay, so for this next item, we're outside, so I'm so sorry of the wind. I love these barrels. Now, I don't have the Jack Daniels ones. I think they're a little bit more pricey. These are the kind that I have. I think these are like $45, but barrels are really, really just super cute. These are the Vigoro. It says it right here. See that? Anyway, so what I love about these is that you can put just about anything, trees, fruits, veggies. They're super cute, very rustic. So if you have a gardener that has, I don't know, like a rustic vibe to them, or if you're looking for something to get someone who doesn't have any raised beds, these are great because they're 24 by 24. So it gives you lots of growing space and they age really well. I do have them and I've used them for quite some time and they're my favorite. So now this is item number 3. All right, let's keep going. So we're back inside. Item number 4 is going to be a sprayer. So you have that gardener who loves petunias, you're going to have to spray them down with some kind of pesticide because they get budworms a lot. But I have a sprayer for several reasons. My sprayer I use to spray down my fruit trees. So if you have a gardener who has fruit trees, a sprayer is always the best way to go. And you can see they're really affordable. You can go down to a very expensive one, or you can even just spend less than $20 and you've got a wonderful gift. I absolutely love having a sprayer, and like I said, if you have a gardener, they're going to use it for so many different things, whether it's for their trees, for the petunias, for anything. You definitely need a sprayer. What's really good about sprayers, it has these really nice like wands here. And so if you have to get inside of a plant and like dig in, the wand is wonderful. And like I said, so many different choices when it comes to sprays. All right, and let's find the last item that I recommend from Home Depot for last minute shopping for your gardener. So this is going to be hard because I wanted to get like a hoe of some kind or a shovel because there's so many choices. So, but I couldn't I couldn't deny these right here. Let me show you. These little pruners right here, I absolutely love. They're Fiskers. They're only $13.98. And people, if you have a gardener that you love, that you need a stocking stuffer for, this is it. I love that it's titanium. It's my favorite thing. I use this for my indoor plants, for my outdoor plants. It's great for, you know, cutting tomatoes, like when you're harvesting them, not cutting the actual stem for, because that's a really large stem. But if you're harvesting, this is such a cute little pruner that you can fit in all of the branches. And I don't know, it's like easy work. I super love this, especially if you need it for a stocking stuffer. And it's $13.98, which is a steal. I mean, look how cute they are. And I love that they're titanium. What does it say? Lifetime warranty, durable blade. Just super cute. I love them. I have so many of these. And if you are going to get any of the Fisker things, this is also something cute to get your gardener friend. It's $7.98, and it is just a blade sharpener, because you don't really want to get any of these if you can't sharpen it. But yes, so moving on. I know I only said top 5, but I really want to show you something else. So let's go ahead. There it is. This is the last item that I 10 out of 10 recommend. This beautiful shrub rake. It's only $14.95, and you guys know that I love it and I use it. So sorry, there's lots of noises. I am at Home Depot. I have a rock garden, and whenever there's debris or leaves that I just want to rake up really quick, this is really good for that. It's also really good, for example, if you want to rake between delicate plants. I absolutely love it. You can see here, super affordable. So let me pull it out so that I can kind of show you. I absolutely love it. It's really flexible, but very durable. So if you are going to like rake between your plants, it's not going to, no, you know, it can if you, if you do it too hard. But I absolutely love this rake. I 10 out of 10 recommend, and I love how small it is. So for example, this is my hand size to it, and it can fit between all kinds of plants. I love it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Tomorrow's video is going to be the top 5 gifts that you can get last minute at Lowe's, so please join me for that. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you. And remember, if you didn't get it done today, there is always tomorrow.